Hello. Today I will explain you how to copy sections of a budget in or insert in those sections at the bottom. First, you're going to select the section you want to duplicate. Probably we need this one. And then we start to this one, okay? Then we have the section of this to copy at the bottom because we want to create a new one, okay? That's the case. And then to do that, you select the rows on the numbers, and then after that, you can do right click and you see the options to copy. First, you're gonna copy, and then you're gonna go to the section or to the bottom to insert just right below the other expenses, for example. And you click it in there, just right click again over the number, and then you will see the options. When the options is there, you choose insert copy cells, and then done. See, you will copy everything. You will copy the formats, the section and everything. But in the case you need to modify this one, you can modify. Just typing in there, maybe instead of communication, you're going to put something else instead of, and then after that, I will show you also another way to do, this is the fast way to do it, and then you modify those things. But there is another way to do it in the case you need to use the format painter, okay? The format painter is this tool, the brush, will help you also to create manually or copy manually formats from one place to another, okay? All right, then first, supposed to be you will create only these three lines below, and then you're gonna insert, for example, 1, 2, 3 lines, or 4, yeah, let me see, 4. And then you will insert first blank lines, insert, and then in that case, you insert just blank lines, okay? And then, don't worry, right now it's copying the color above and the format above, okay? But the thing is, you will use the format painter to format this one like this. And then in order to do that, you just click. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it has to be the same lines. Okay. If you want this one, the same row like this, with the same bold and with the same text, with the same format, even if it's there numbers with percentage or currency in there or dollar sign in there, then you select the line. Okay, you will select the line. Actually, we need to select also this one because this belongs to the row. Okay, just to have the information completed. Then in there, you're gonna do format. You click on the format painter once, and then we'll select this area. And then you go below and you click it, and then we'll replicate it. See? But in blank because there is no information there, okay? Yeah, just copy the format as you see. And then later, you're gonna put, for example, you're gonna put again, maybe other expense again, okay? Other expense, see? We can put the same thing or any other item, any other expense item. But for this, for the purpose of teaching you, I will just put the same, okay, other expenses. And then we'll keep the same thing, see? We'll keep the same thing. It's already the formatting and the color. Yeah, you just need to type values in here, okay? You just need to complete the values. Right now it's this row, but for example, I need this row now to copy the same formats, okay? And then I will just select again until here, because we need all of them, all the row. And then we go to the Format Painter to capture that. And then we go to the second row right here. And then I will click here. And then now, voila, it's already passed the format. What I need to put in there is the items of this expense. For example, tools, whatever is the expense. In this case, I will put tools. See, it's the same thing. Then if I put my values, it's already formatted with the color, with the position, with the alignment, those things. That's why it's more easy to do it, right? And then keep the same format. And then you only type in there and it's ready for you. The other thing, we need one more item in here, right? And then I'm gonna choose, the other one is the same. Select the whole thing, again, complete, Format Painter, click it, and go down and click it again, the next line. And then now it's ready, okay? In this one, we're gonna put travel expenses, okay? Travel expenses, just for example, travel expenses, okay? And then we'll put return, and then it's done, okay? See, and then you need to fill it up with the information, okay? For the last one, we need only here that distribute the total, right? For the total, I will just pick the total line then, because that's the last one. I will get the whole thing because I need this one too in my row. Then I will go to format again, and then go to the 60 on the 66 line. That would be the top subtotal, and then I click it, and then now it's done. It's ready for the subtotal, already with the color. Just what I need to put is other expenses total, right? Then other expenses total. What is here also, you see, is the same. And then I will just put the formulas in here, even though the formulas, I need to copy only the formulas, right? If I need the formula like this, then I will copy this. If not, I will just create the formula here, and then that's gonna be all, right? And then you can do that in easy way. You have two ways to copy subtotal sections in your spreadsheet and increase your budget. You know, you add more to your budget, and then that's gonna be, and this is gonna work also for if you have calculation here for any other thing, like a difference or something, will work for you. Just you need to create this one and then just link the formula here with your new row. For example, this one, you click here and then you will see all the subtotal. See, it's not included, but I need to include it at the as the last cell in here. And 56 was the last one, but for the new one, it's going to be N62 and N66. Then I will put that one, N62, comma, N66. And now that's complete my total marketing budget. See, now it's complete. That's what it is now, okay? That's how you change. You're going to change this formula in every single, you need to change this formula in every single cell here because it's not included. You see, it's not the M62. Then to do that, because you've just replacing here the formula, you need to copy this formula. Just right click, copy, and then you select the whole rows before or cells before, and then you're gonna do right click again and paste. And then voila, everything is updated. Now, if you verify this one, it's included the 62 and 66. 62, the previous subtotal, this one, and the 66, that new one, okay? And then your formulas are now updated and is calculating well everything. And for this one, then the last thing is the total here is not updated. we need to add also the 2 rows from the subtotals that we insert. I will do that, then I will go there to the formula, and then I will add, I will see which one are selected, need to add this one. And this one now shows everything is included. Then I will just press or this one, the enter or return. And then it's done. My calculations are okay. Okay, then that's all. Try by yourself and have a good day.